Topic is natural disaster. Natural disaster. What is disaster? A disaster is a natural or man-made hazard resulting in an event of substantial event causing physical damage, loss of life or drastic change in the environment. It is phenomenon that can cause damage to life and property and destroy the economic, social and cultural life of people. Types of disaster. Now there are two types of disaster: man-made disaster and natural disaster. Man-made disaster. Some of them are industrial accidents, railroad air accidents, terrorist attack, war, etc. These are the disasters caused by man itself. Natural disasters. Some of them are floods, landslides, earthquakes, volcanic eruption, droughts, etc. These are caused due to the nature. One of the deadliest natural disaster is tsunami. Tsunami can poison mainland with a lot of salt, causing people to die out of hunger and disease after the tsunami is gone. The costliest tsunami occurred in US and Canada in 1964. Damage was as huge as $106 million. Tsunami is a term which literally means a harbor wave, a term specific to Japan. Tsunamis can travel across oceans as they retain their energy with limited energy loss. A mega tsunami has very huge waves and has occurred in Alaska in 1958. Surprisingly, only 2 people died. Facts about tsunami. Tsunami waves can reach heights of over 100 feet. About 80% of tsunamis happen within the Pacific Ocean. The first wave of tsunami is usually not the strongest. Successive waves get bigger and stronger. In 2004, the Indian Ocean tsunami was caused by an earthquake. Killer waves radiating from the final death toll was 283,000. Tsunami can travel up to the speed of 500 to 800 kilometers per hour. Conclusion. While no country in the world is entirely safe, lack of capacity to limit the impact of hazards remains a major burden for developing countries. An estimated 97% of natural disasters related to death each year occur in developing countries. Although smaller in absolute figure, the percentage of economic loss in relation to GNP, that is gross national product, in developing countries far exceeds the one in developed countries. Hence the need for safer construction practices is rising day by day, and thus increasing our need to be alert and responsible to minimize and possibly evade the impact that these disasters have on our lives to make our country reach greater heights.